Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Magento. So today we are going to learn how to install the PHP 7.2 compatible extensions of the PHP so that Magento 2.3 cannot be unable to install into your system, right? So first of all, we have already installed the PHP 7.2 version in the previous video I have uploaded. Now we are going to install the PHP 7.2 extensions that doesn't leads to an issue on that the extensions are missing or something like that. Okay, so we are going to resolve that one. So let's install the PHP extensions. Whenever you get the issue that Magento 2 PHP extension missing, use this one for the 7.2. So install this one in a one line. Unable to locate 7.2, open SSL. Okay, so open SSL we can remove open SSL. Okay, so let's move to the next one. All these extensions, PHP extensions, are required before the installation of Magento 2.3 with the help of Composer. Okay, let's install the Magento. There is a command Composer 2.3.5. I'm going to install it. Enter. Yes. Enter. Still, it's showing me some of the error, that is enable the extensions and verify that you are the PHP extensions. Requires extension PDO MySQL. So this is missing. So we need to install this one, copy, and first of all we have to sudo rm minus rf the project community. Then we have to install this extension PHP 7.2 PDO, and here we have to install sudo apt get install PHP 7.2 hyphen PDO SQL. Okay, so you need to install this one. PDO, unable to locate the PDO MySQL, so we will start with this one. Loading the package done, unable to. The command is like this one. Give me a second. Its PDO MySQL extension is not there, missing. So let me add this one. No, PDO 7.2 MySQL is not installed. Let me check how we are going to do that. Give me a second. Here we have to install the extension PHP 7.2. So let's have to check it out. So this is the command we have to install. So it's installed. Now we have to enable that one extension and then restart. Okay, we have restarted this one. So let's install the Magento. Hope no extensions is left. I guess we have installed everything. Still there is a one extension. Which one? Direct PHP code sniffer requires composer plugin APIs to be 1.0 font composer plugin API but does not match with the constraint. So it's basically the issue of the not the extension, it's the different thing, but the extensions are installed properly. So we will solve this issue in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.